how to change your CJ dropshipping language to English. So if this video has helped you out, please let me know in the comments or simply just leave a like so I actually know that this video has helped you out. So let's just get started right away. And as you can see, my CJ dropshipping language is not in English. So how can we easily change that? Well, that's actually super easy to do. We can actually do that with one click. Now, in the top right corner, right beside where your profile is, we can here see the language. So currently it is set to this language, and I can set it to any language I would like to. At the top, you can already see English, which is set to the American English. So if I click on this, this will now be changed to English, as you can see. So everything has changed back to English, as well as the currency, which automatically did that, I believe, or you have to do that manually. But yeah, that is pretty much it. That is how to change CJ dropshipping language to English.